Hey y'all, and welcome back to A Girl and a Carry-On. So if you're new here, my name's Danetta, and I moved abroad with my daughter Malia. Today we're going to talk about the most asked about topic, international schools. So if you've ever thought about moving abroad with kids, this one's for you. I'm going to be breaking down how international schools work, the cost, curriculum, and everything else I wish I would have knew before I enrolled my daughter. So first off, you might be saying, what is an international school? So these are private schools that go off a curriculum like American, British, IB. They're basically schools that are taught in English. You'll see students from all over the world, including local families that want the global education experience. The best part is your child can move between countries and stay on track academically, and this is perfect for expats and digital nomads. Okay, honey, now let's talk about money. This is the part that surprises families the most. So for tuition, you're going to be looking at between 5,000 and 25,000 a year, depending on the grade level and location. Here in Thailand, the prices are ranging between like 4,000 and maybe like 25,000 a year. More elite schools, you're looking at like 45,000 or higher a year. So for me in particular, I only pay 15,000 a year. To me, I don't feel like that's a lot because in the US, you're going to be paying that price or more for private schools. So another thing to keep in mind that some of those more expensive schools have other programs like competitive sports and other language programs like Japanese, Mandarin, and other languages outside of Thai. So just keep that in mind that not every great school here in Thailand is expensive. So look around, see what programs there are out there, and see what works within your budget. Pro tip. Always ask about mid-year discounts, sibling rates, and scholarships. Many of these schools quietly offer them. Now, one of the things that I've noticed since living abroad is how much more interactive and hands-on these schools are compared to the schools back home. Now, Malia's school focuses on critical thinking, cultural awareness, and technology. They introduce IT lessons and computer science early. These kids are already learning basic coding and other digital responsibility. Another thing that I love is that these schools do not put heavy emphasis on standardized testing. They're going to evaluate your kids individually and holistically. So, for example, Malia was actually supposed to be in third grade starting this year, and they moved her up to fourth grade. So, during summer school, when she tested out the school, they evaluated her maturity level as well as her test scores as well, but they were like it would be a disservice if we kept her in the third grade. She's too mature and she's too smart. Let's move her up. So like back in the States, they're gonna just go off of like, oh, what's her age? Oh, boom, put her in that grade. Like she actually was kept back because of where her birthday fell on the schedule that they go off of. So that's something that I absolutely love about these schools. Malia was so excited that she got moved up, and she's actually thriving to the fullest in fourth grade. Culture and community make a huge difference. International schools are incredibly diverse. Your child may be in a classroom with kids from all over the world. I'm talking about China, Nigeria, France, Korea, Japan, you name it. And that's what makes it so special because they're all in one classroom. Now, this is something that can be overwhelming at first, but it quickly becomes a strength. They learn how to connect across cultures, build empathy, and become great communicators. Now, one thing that I love the most is that Malia comes home almost daily learning a different language. Now, these are not languages that she's learning in class. These are languages that she is picking up off of the students in her class. So she's coming home learning Russian, learning Mandarin, learning Japanese. It is so crazy and amazing at the same time, and I absolutely love it. Always keep in mind your child may have a hard time adjusting with routine, language barriers, and just being in a new country as a whole. So I always advise to go do a tour, talk to the parents, talk to the teachers, take your child there so they can see the school and the type of environment they're going to be in as well. And do not rush to get your child into school. This is something that they're going to be at for at least a year and something you're also paying for. So you want your child to be comfortable with the school. Let them explore the hallways before you make a decision. Now let's talk about choosing the right school for your child. Here is my checklist. Number one, decide on a curriculum, whether that be American, British, IB, or bilingual. Choose a curriculum that works best for you. Number two, check out what the class size is. Smaller classes usually means more attention. Number three, Visit the school during school hours and just watch how the teachers interact with the students. Number 4, ask about ELA. So this may be something that you need for your child if English is not their primary language. Number 5, look into your transportation options, whether that be a BTS or MRT station access, or if they offer shuttle services, because some of these schools will offer transportation as an additional cost, but it is something that usually is available to you. And number 6, read reviews. Ask in other expat groups, and there's other international school groups on Facebook, and just see what the parents are saying. Always remember that what may look good on paper may not be the school that your child is going to thrive and feel supported. So keep all that in mind when you are choosing your school. So far, our experience with international school has been amazing. Malia is thriving. She wakes up every morning excited to go to school. She doesn't even want to miss a day. She wants her check every day. She's like, I don't want to miss school. I need perfect attendance. And I absolutely love it. She has friends from all over the world. And the thing that I love the most with the school, they communicate so well. They have programs online where we can send messages back and forth. They have newsletters. They're always having like parent days and like parades and all kind of cultural things that she can do. So we are absolutely loving it. If you're planning your own move and need a little extra guidance, I offer one-on-one relocation consultations where I will help you map out your schooling, your budgeting, your housing, everything. Plus, I offer e-guides that are jam-packed with resources, checklists, and everything you need to make your transition more seamless. I'll leave a link below so that you can grab your copy and book your session today. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on Instagram at a girl in a carry-on so you don't miss a beat.